Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back. If you love bags and SLGs, designer or not, please do consider subscribing to my channel, hit on the notification bell, and together, let's enjoy these beautiful pieces. So today I'll be sharing with you another Parfois unboxing. I bought one bag, so I will show it to you. So this is the bag. Ta-da! So I will move this away for a bit. So this one was what I got. This is from the sale, and this is the last piece, and I'm looking at this bag at the website for some time and waiting for it to be on sale. So when I saw this, even though this is the last piece, and I'm very picky with my bags, as I told you before, this is on the sale because of the creases probably. Look at the creases. And they told me that these creases will go away over time. When I put some things inside, this will go away. So I'm hoping that those will go away. But I checked the hardwares, they're still very shiny and not so many scratches, and the zippers work fine, so I decided to get this. But of course, from the 50% discount is a very big thing for me, so I bought it. So if you can see, this bag is color Bordeaux, the color that I'm loving these days. So it has gold hardware. It has 3 zippers. So it has one zipper here with a black fabric interior. So this one is the same as the other one at the back. So 2 bigger zipper pouches with the middle zip pouch. So this is a smaller pouch in the middle, and this also has 2 more pockets with magnetic closure. It does have many compartments to organize things, and I'm so happy I got it. I will show you this one. The sling. I've tucked the sling inside. So this is, you can wear it 2 ways. So it has this leather handle in this side and on the other side as well. I think it has another one here. Yes. So if you want it crossbody, you have to pull it very well so it will be long as a crossbody. And if you want it shoulder bag, so you have to pull both to shorten the straps. You can see the hardware is still very shiny and looks really heavy. This is the first bag that I got that has many pockets, so many pockets, and I'm so happy I got it on a sale, because I've been waiting so long for the sale for this one. This one of their more pricey bags that they have. So I got this one, And if you can remember, I already got myself before two SLGs that has the same color as this one. So this is the one, the card holder with zipper, and I have another one that I also got from the sale, the coin pouch. So I'm so happy I got them all. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and as always thank God for these beautiful blessings. See you next time. Bye.